OG Parker.
The hello today, it is package time! Package! It's package time! Yeah! Sorry about that. It's package time! Ladies and gentlemen, I am ready. I have my knife. A bottle of water because I get thirsty sometimes. My hands to remove the objects from the box. And the camera to record it all. Let's go. Alright, enough with the nonsense. It's time to open up the package. Come on! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this package was ordered from evite.com. They are a solid Airsoft distributor, if you will. Now to open the package here. This whole package revolves around my multicam loadout. We should have a video coming out on that soon, so stay tuned to our channel. On to the unboxing. First thing I see is a double stack multicam Molly M4 mag pouches, 6 of them right there. Obviously holds 6 M4 mags, pretty simple. Obviously going to go on the front of my little play carrier thing. So that's the first thing right there. Bam. Bam. Alright, second thing I see is my multicam 5.11 Tactical Series multicam combat shirt. There it is. Out of the whole group, me, Wesley, and Wyatt got matching uniforms and loadouts, so see us out where we play at the Southern Tactical Airsoft games down in Theodore, Alabama. We should all be wearing these from now on. So, yeah. We got matching combat shirts, but I've heard that this is a pretty good, pretty solid shirt, worth getting. So I got it, obviously. And to go with that, the third item is the combat pants, multicam as well. Everything in here should be multicam. But yeah, these are just the pants to go along with it. Yeah. Fourth thing is the dump pouch multicam as well. Obviously, dump your mags in here. Pretty simple. This is actually my order sticker. This has everything on my order. So this little pamphlet. Alright, fifth thing in here, actually it's not multicam because it's black, and that is my 1-point sling that I'll be using for my gun. I'm probably just going to wrap it through my chest rig. I'm sure it's very comfortable, and my gun's kind of heavy, so I needed this, so I got that. Sixth thing is the plate carrier. Alright, this thing's pretty massive. I'm going to take this one out of the package and try and see if I can show it to you. Yeah, that's pretty massive. I'm going to have to like adjust that or something. But that's that. My multicam chest rig or plate carrier thing, whatever you want to call it. This is the main thing, part of the loadout, and I heard good reviews on it, so that's another positive note. I'm thirsty. On to the next item. Alright, this will be the final item in the loadout. Probably the most important, and that is these boots. Heavy duty boots. My big ass has a size 13 shoe, so that's what I got. Make fun of me, I don't care. Get out of here! But yeah, just some boots because mine that I have are shredding apart. But yeah, you can see why these would be so needed. But that is the loadout, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment. If you want to see more of these unboxings, or any of our videos in general, please press the subscribe button. It will be well appreciated. Stay tuned for new videos because we are uploading every day to every other day now. So that's good. But anyways, guys, it's been your boy Nurse. I'm out. Deuces.